Soon after Google rolled out Android 11 for Pixel devices, we have started receiving custom ROMs based on Android 11. So in this video, we'll talk about Android 11 custom ROMs for OnePlus devices. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So right now you can see I have my OnePlus 60 on which I am running POSP custom ROM based on Android 11. As you can see here, right now we have Android 11 support for OnePlus 3 series, 5 series, 6 series and OnePlus Nord. All the download links are given in the description below. You can download Android 11 for your specific device. For installation guide for OnePlus 6 and 60 can be found at the end of this video. So these are the software information where you can see Android version is Android 11, security patch we get is 5th September 2020. And right now Android 11 builds are in alpha stage. So there are bugs here and there, which I'll be showing you in this video. On this custom ROM, we get Quick Step Launcher, which doesn't have much of customization options. This is a quick setting panel where you get options like screen recorder, dark theme, always on display, bedtime, etc. There are few minor bugs available here and there, and it's a personal choice. If you want to have a taste of Android 11, you can right away install it on your device. You can see this cool animation of the wallpaper whenever you slide app drawer or swipe down notification panel. Calling works fine with my Jio SIM card. Alert slider is a bug, so that don't work on OnePlus devices. Soon this will also be fixed in upcoming updates. Fast charging works fine on my OnePlus 60. While testing fast charging, device charged 40% in just 20 minutes. Stock camera also works. I've tried clicking pictures with front and back camera, but if in some cases it doesn't work, then you can always use third-party camera applications like Open Camera. I've also tested Google Camera, but that's not completely stable. Media playback and sound quality is pretty good. I did not find any kind of issues related to sensors. All the sensors are working fine, like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. As I said, these are alpha builds. You can give it a try and basic functions are working like calling, charging and camera. Let's go inside the settings, and here under network and internet you won't find any kind of issues related to Wi-Fi. Both the bands are working fine, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Wi-Fi calling, I'm not sure whether it is working or not, but we don't get any icon while making calls through Wi-Fi. Bluetooth have no issues. I've already tested with my TV. As it's an alpha build, so don't expect much of customization options in the early stages. So lots of settings are missing and those things will be added in the upcoming updates. Under display we have dark theme and that works great. The UI becomes completely dark instead of that grayish color what we get on Oxygen OS. You won't find any kind of issues with the adaptive brightness. Under colors we get options like natural, boosted and adaptive. Under lock screen we have always on display, which also works fine. I haven't noticed any kind of issues with the always on display. But right now I wasn't able to change the clock style on the lock screen. That might be a bug. You guys try it out and let me know in the comment section below. Here we don't have any kind of issues with the double tap to wake. Under sound settings you'll find a bug where you won't be able to set any ringtone for the calls. This setting is completely broken. Under security we have only fingerprint option. Face unlock feature is still not available, and fingerprint works great on Android 11 for OnePlus 60. You won't notice much of delay. After that we have settings in which we get options like gestures, from where you can enable quick open camera by pressing the power key twice. So let's see whether it works or not. And yes, camera opens up. If you have multiple camera applications, it will ask you to select one. So we'll select the stock one and here we go. Under navigation gestures we have two options. One is 3-button navigation and the full screen navigation. As we all know that Android 11 comes with new power menu where you can add your smart devices. And now power option, lockdown and emergency have been moved on the top side. Now let's also take a look at the benchmark results on Android 11. So here I have my OnePlus 60 on which single core scored 466 and multi-core scored 1773. With Antutu benchmark application, device scored 3,28,715. And also guys, you let me know whether you want a gaming test on this alpha build of Android 11. If so, then update me in the comment section below. So guys, this was the quick look on alpha build based on Android 11. And if you guys are willing to install this ROM, then you can follow the installation guide. To install Android 11 on your device should have TWRP recovery. If you guys are not aware about installing TWRP recovery, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can follow that video guide. Once you have TWRP recovery on your device, you need to have few files. One is latest Oxygen OS. If you are using OnePlus, you need to have Android 11 custom ROM, TWRP zip installer and Google App Package. First we need to flash Oxygen OS on both the slots of your device. So let's flash. First let me show you the slot, and right now current slot is slot B. Tapping on install and let's flash latest build from Oxygen OS. Once Oxygen OS is flashed successfully on first slot, go to the home screen, tap on install, and now we need to flash TWRP zip installer. Swipe to confirm flash. Once that is flashed successfully, now again go to the home screen, tap on reboot and reboot recovery. After rebooting recovery, now check the slot. So initially we had slot B, and after reboot, now device is on slot A. Here again we need to flash the Oxygen OS zip file, and all the files can be found in the description below. Swipe to confirm flash. After flashing Oxygen OS on the second slot, now again we need to flash TWRP zip installer. Swipe to confirm flash. Once it's done, now again reboot your recovery. After you are again into recovery, now go to install, and now it's time to flash the custom ROM based on Android 11. Swipe to confirm flash. After ROM is flashed successfully, now go to the main home page of recovery. Go to wipe, advanced wipe. From here wipe data and caches. Swipe to wipe. Now again flash TWRP zip installer. Once that's done, go to the home page, tap on reboot and reboot recovery. Now it's time to flash Google App Package. Go to install and flash the Google App Package. Swipe to confirm flash. Once it is done, now you can reboot your device. And here you can see a device have been successfully booted into system with Android 11. So guys, this way you can install Android 11 on your any OnePlus device. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.